Hey all, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to crop pictures into custom shapes in Word for professional design, social media graphics, certificates, presentations, posters, and creative documents layout. Instead of regular square images, you can turn picture into circle, star, heart, arrow, and many other stylish shapes directly inside Word. So let's get started. At first I open my assignment. Now I want to crop image into multiple shape. At first go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am insert some picture, then resize the image and make the image wrap text in front of text, then resize it, then select the picture and go to the in front of text. Now I crop the square shape image to another shape. Select that image, go to the format menu, click the picture effect option, crop option, and choose crop to shape. Now I crop on the heart shape this picture, then I go back another picture and crop this picture on the heptagon shape. I hope you understand this process. You can crop any picture into a shape easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.